So my friend Brandon is taunting me because he got his Pebble watch today, and he's daring to open it right in front of me. So we can see. Look, check this out.
A little zipper.
Look at the attention to detail they put in this thing. If they put a little less attention to detail, mine would have been here by now.
Check this out. What did it say? Get started at GoPebble.com.
So we have the watch.
Little Kickstarter edition.
Nice. Is it charged? Does it turn on?
This is all that comes in the box. I don't even know if they. I guess how do we turn this on?
So it's not as intuitive as Apple products.
Oh, it's on.
Oh, it's okay. It's on.
Run and install the app. So I have the app on my phone.
Oh, you already have it preloaded in anticipation.
Yeah, I did. And it has a get started now. This is finally lit up. I couldn't use the app unless the Pebble was here. Well, I probably need to turn on Bluetooth.
So it has location awareness. It knew that your Pebble is near your phone. Oh, there it is. Pebble shows up. Pairing request.
And voila, and you can see here it's ready for an update.
How do you update it?
I think it's doing it wirelessly.
Automatically.
I'm just gonna hit this blinking red thing. We'll give it access. There's a software update available. And it's even updating right on the Pebble. You can see the percentage.
I wish I had one of these.
What is this charger? USB. It's kind of like the MacBook charger.
It's magnetic. Ooh, check that snap action going on.
Nice.
So is it lightweight? What's your impressions about it?
It's about what I thought. The band feels similar to a Swatch band.
So is that the extended band or the regular side band? There's
That's
an
a good
option to
question.
get an extended band.
Well, let me check my wrist. I think this is probably the regular band.
Oh, plenty.
Plenty of space here.
Even for a mountain man like you.
I have tiny wrists. And that was a fast update.
It's done?
It's up. It's done.
Wow. So what does it say on the face of the watch?
Loading.
Locating? Or loading?
Loading. There it is. Now it shows up here. Brandon ping received.
Nice. There you go. Pebble activated in 3 minutes. I wish I had one.